Hi everybody, my name is Kathleen and I'm here with my colleague Grant, our head of branding here at Squadhelp. In today's video, we're going to be walking you through how to set up your white label marketplace.
The first question you're probably asking is, what is a white label marketplace? It's a beautiful place to host your domain, number one. It's powered by advanced functionality such as AI, which powers the search functions. Um, there's a lot of really cool and simple and powerful portfolio management tools and settings, such as the ability to do bulk edits through a Google Sheets integration, the ability to control the names on your homepage. And there's a ton of really nice features that give you a lot of control. One of the ones that I think is really interesting is the ability to set your make an offer, turn it on and off based on the bin price. So there's a lot of these neat little functions that just make managing your portfolio much more easier and more robust. It's a very visually appealing and visually powerful platform. One of the things you'll see here is these visual images. These can be set up with almost a click of the button really quickly and easily to make this very powerful. You also have some options where you can set up logos. You have different visual options when it comes to the actual presentation. So there's a lot going on here that make it very visually appealing. We'll dig into that a little bit more. Finally, everything is set up for sales optimization. There's 24/7 chat support for your visitors. The most important thing is when somebody comes in and they want to make an offer or start talking or ask a question, oftentimes you're not going to be there to answer within 3 to 5 minutes. Our team is set up to do just that. Click of a button, they're right there to support your visitors. We definitely know that that's a great way to increase your sell-through rate. The whole site is optimized, especially the landing pages, to increase conversions and make sure that it's functioning at a really high level.
Okay, so now that we kind of know what the white label marketplace is, how would someone go about getting started setting it up?
Absolutely. The first thing to note is that you would put your names into the standard and as a standard listing. Standard listings are very they're easy to upload. You can upload your entire portfolio. You can do it in bulk. You can do names, one at a time, however you want. But as the standard listings come in, that's going to be the start of your portfolio. And just to show you really quick, your standard listings immediately without your white label marketplace are going to come in. You're going to be able to set up visual representations such as this, and you're going to have all the functionality of these great landing pages, the ability to have a list price, buy now, installment plans, set up descriptions. We have this button you can push, and the name will be read to you. So lots of tools to help get these names sold. So once you have your domain set up as a standard listing, then you're going to come in here and you're going to set up your portfolio. Step one is setting up the URL. What's the destination that you want your portfolio at? Number two is choosing if you want your landing page to go to a Squadhelp branded landing page or one that goes to your website's branding.
Grant, what would be the benefit of choosing one over the other?
So when it comes to Squadhelp's landing page, that's what this is an example of. You're going to have the credibility of Squadhelp. So people know Squadhelp. There's a lot of publications that have written. We have great reviews. So there's a level of trust that you're going to get if somebody lands here at a Squadhelp landing page. Now, ownership is the real benefit of the other of having them going back to your own marketplace. You're going to have your logo, you're going to have your domains, and they're going to stay within that environment. So there's pluses and minuses to each one, and that's one of the first decisions that you're going to make. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to choose between our modern and professional themes. I was showing you before. Here's an example of the professional, and here's an example of the modern. One of the things to note is that they have a little bit different landing pages as well. So the modern theme, here's the modern theme landing page. Pretty cool example. Here's an example of the professional theme landing page. Many of the features are very similar within the modern and the standard, so I'll go through those and then I'll show you what's different. So I'm here in the modern. You can set up your headline, which is the first piece of text that comes on your website, your subheadline. You can add an about section. Definitely upload a high quality logo that's going to help you build credibility and trust. You can change your favicon, which is that little image at the top of the browser. And then you can choose your image. We have a bunch of neat images that we've uploaded for you to select from, or you can upload your own. When it comes to the professional theme, here's one example. When it comes to professional theme, the headline, subheadline, about all stay the same, many of the same features, but here's some interesting differences. In this one, you can set up choose from lots of different background colors that look really sharp. And here's a nice example, some nice examples. I really like this bright color that looks really good to me. So that's one option, or you can upload your own image in the back, and or you can choose from ours, or you can upload your own image in the back. One neat small feature here is that depending on the image you choose, you can change the header text. So if you choose a dark background, you can make a white text. If you choose a light background, you can make a darker text to make it as readable as possible. The next concept is the ability to choose the contact information. So within the phone number or the email, you can either use Squadhelp's contact information or you can use your own contact information.
So Grant, I noticed when it says use either Squadhelp's phone number or the email, it's recommended. Can you kind of walk us through why it would be recommended?
Yeah, so there's different benefits to either side. Using Squadhelp, we're set up for this process. Our team is there, we respond quickly. We have processes in place, and you even have settings to determine how we engage. If we engage with on behalf of you with your visitors, you can let us negotiate on your behalf, or you can say, everything must be approved by you. But the biggest thing is we're set up to do this, and we're going to respond quickly. When it comes to putting your own information, that again gives you more ownership, but you may not be able to have. Most people can't have the response time or the operations that Squadhelp has set up. Lastly, we have some really great analytics features, so you can integrate your Google Analytics information into your white label marketplace. As you can see, it's really simple. One page to set up your entire white label marketplace, which gives you all of these great functionalities and benefits. Now, before we sign off for today and let you start with the process, Kathleen, I have one question for you. You've worked on lots of branding projects. What is one thing that you would recommend, the most important thing for getting domains sold?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the, most key pieces of advice that we give to domain sellers is to include a nice description for your domain. So if you connect the name to, big ideas, key concepts, maybe there's some symbolism behind there that really helps potential buyers visualize, a potential use for that name, and just overall paints a bigger picture.
And you can see the description shows up as part of the many elements that help build a bigger presence to the name and bring it from words on a piece of paper to visual elements and descriptions, and really build that domain out and build a connection, which is going to help you sell that domain.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks everybody. Have a great day, and we hope you get started with your white label marketplace soon.